going on, guys? I'm going out to check out the little bird nest that's in our grill, see if the other egg is hatched. Oh my god, one of the birds is down on the ground, guys. Hold on. You good? You okay? Here, come here. Shh, come here. It's okay. Oh, he fell out of the nest, I think, guys. 1 second. Come here. Let's see if he's okay. Hold on. Here, it's okay. It's okay. Whoa. It's okay, it's okay. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, come here. Come here. Shh. I'm gonna put you back in the nest, okay? Here, let go. Yeah, I think he fell out of the nest, guys. It's a good thing I found him and saw him. Here, get in there. It's okay. There you go. Let's go in there. There you go. Wow, I'm really glad I found that little guy down there. He must have fallen out of the nest when his mom wasn't there, or else the mom would have probably saved him. Well, it looks like I saved a bird's life today, guys. That's actually pretty cool. I'll see you guys later.